What does your review process look like?
My review process is pretty much just reviewing the videos that I previously watched, looking over some old questions that I got wrong, trying to figure out how I got them wrong and why I got them wrong, why the correct answer is the correct answer, why it's the one that's actually good. And yeah, that's pretty much what I do.
Okay, so your review, if I'm hearing you correctly, it consists primarily of watching the videos related to that
Yes.
problem.
Yes.
There's value to that, but it's not enough, honestly. And it could actually get in the way of your own understanding because
Okay.
the videos are just one person's way of explaining their perfect solution to it. When in reality, of course, it's you doing it on test day, which means you got to analyze your own thought process,
Yeah.
specifically what tempted you about the wrong answer, what pushed you away from the right answer, and what may have been confusing about the question itself or the
Yeah.
stimulus if it's logical reasoning, for example. So I would encourage you to take some time to dissect these problems that give you trouble before you look at explanations elsewhere.
Okay. So like try to do them by myself, you mean? I mean, I do them by myself, obviously, like the homework questions, but how would you say try to dissect it by myself
So
before?
after you've solved the problem and you've seen that you got it wrong, you could reattempt the problem untimed to see if your error stemmed from the time constraint, or even with unlimited time, maybe you wouldn't get it anyway. You can see how timing impacts things. Regardless, before you look at others' explanations, you could see, okay, here's the wrong answer that I chose, and here's the correct one. What about the wrong answer appealed to me initially, but what ultimately made it wrong? And what about the right answer made it seem unappealing, and what ultimately makes it correct? And you can keep a running list of these questions or have a mistake journal where you track everything you ever got wrong or had difficulty with, and you could reattempt those questions a day later or a week later to see if your review process is working for you. And you can also look at explanations from a variety of sources. There are many forums online. I have video explanations for most logic games on my YouTube channel. I also have many logical reasoning questions explained there as well. And so you can get explanations from a variety of sources. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.